Is there time and space in the spiritual world? The highest realities of the spiritual world are governed by God and His love and the love of the people there. Where there is love, there is happiness. Where there is happiness, there is no busyness of time. Therefore we affirm that in the highest levels there is no time. However, in the lower realities lowest, because individuals live in unhappiness, time seems interminable. Space also exists, but the spiritual world is a reflection of the inner qualities of the individuals living in those dimensions. Where love exists, there are neither barriers nor distance between people, nor diversity of language. The spiritual world, therefore, is not a three-dimensional world like the physical world, but is above all a reflection of the world inner, heart and love of the individuals who inhabit it. That is why communication in the higher levels of the spiritual world is not made up of words or a particular language, but of emotions and spiritual telepathy, and the spiritual state can be recognized by the light that the person in spirit emanates and that is constantly changing.